Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to merge two arrays. Okay, so I'm just taking input as array A and array B. So in this array A has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and array B 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So my output should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so just we going to merge this B with A. Okay, so that is a concept. It's a simple thing, but it is an important interview question. So here int, I'm just creating third array to store this value. Int c equal to new int of a dot length plus b dot length. So I just created the third integer, third array. So now what we going to do, we're going to create one for loop. In this for loop, I'm going to add a values into c. Here we just added the length alone. Okay, in this c value, it can be stored like 10 index, like n minus 1, right? 9 index. Okay, but we need to assign the value to that. For that, we just created one for loop. In that for loop, just mentioning a dot length here, c of I equal to a of I. Okay, that's it. If I'm mentioning like this, the a of I, whenever this a I 0 equal to 10, then next iteration 1 equal to 20, like the way a dot length will be there, right? So this a of array value will be stored in the c of I. Now we going to pass this b of array value into c of I. Okay, so for that, again I'm creating another one for loop. In that, I'm going to just mention that b dot length. So here c of I should be c of I plus a dot length. Okay, so c of I plus a dot length equal to b of I. So this is the logic. So what is the logic here? Already we stored the a of I equal to c of I. Now the c of I value assigned with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But in the c of I, index is present till 100, right? Already we have added the length here. After this 50, this b value need to be assigned in the 3 5 4 fifth index, right? So instead of assigning the same like a 0th or 1 2 3 index, it needs to be assigned in the 6th index, right? So that is the value we are that is the reason we are mentioning here c of I plus, which means c of I is 1 10 20 30 50 plus a dot length equal to, what is the a dot length? 0, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. So which means fifth index, the b of I will be assigned. So 0 1 2 3 4, here fifth index will be 60. So in this fifth index, b of I going to assign. Then next iteration will be changed. So in that seventh index, the 70 will be going to assign. Like the way the value should be assigned into that. So this is the simple way we can merge two values. So now I'm just printing that sys out arrays.toString. See, why we are using arrays.toString? In the sense, arrays is a inbuilt method which we have some inbuilt methods. So here arrays is the class. In this class we have some inbuilt methods, which is one of the method is the toString. It is arrays converting to string. Okay, so here we have only the array value. If you want to print the array value as array values, we need to use this arrays to string. If that is the string value, in the sense you can directly print that string variable name, but it is array value. If we are like directly mentioning as a C in this as like the way, it will be print the hash code only. So which memory it is stored, that only will be printed. So that is the reason we are using arrays dot to string. It is used to convert the arrays to string. Okay, so arrays dot to string, in that C is the variable name we are going to mention in that. So now the output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is what we expected output, right? So once again I'm explaining this. First we have a variable and b array. So in this we going to create third variable called c, which will be stored this a and b values. So for that, first we are going to allocate some memory, like allocate the initialization of or declaration of array is like the data type, then variable name equal to new data type, and the length need to be mentioned, right? So that is the arrays initialization. So here int which length, so 10, if we directly mention the 10, in the sense here if the value is changed, in the sense automatically here also we need to change. To overcome that only, we are just taking whatever the length from a and b. So a dot length plus b dot length. Here if we are changing like this, and then 60 70, in the sense again the a dot length will be changed 60 70. Okay, for example I'm just mentioning 60 here, one more in the output 260 will become. Okay, so for that reason we are taking another one variable. Again we are going to for the for loop. Now first I'm iterating that a dot that a of array, a dot length is mentioned here. So here c of I, in this c of I, I'm just putting the a values, that is a of I values. So whenever this iteration is happened, a of I will be mentioned in this. So now I have a c of I values, a of I values will be stored in the c of I. Again we need to store in the b of I, right? So for again b dot length I have taken in the c of I. Here if just we are storing that c of I equal to b of I, in the sense it will be stored from the zeroth index 1 to zeroth index, first index, 2 index, like it is overriding the a of I values. To overcome that, we are allocating space. After to this length only we need to assign the b of length value. So for that, c of I plus a dot length is the whatever the length here present, because it will be assigned the index only. So index in the sense n minus 1, right? So the length minus 1 will be the index. So whatever the length here is there, minus 1 value will be the index. So in that index only the b of I will be assigned. So c of I plus a dot length equal to b of I. Now the c of I will be the b of I. So a value and b value will be stored in the c value. That is the concept. Now we are stringing we are printing the system dot out dot println. It is present in the arrays. In order to convert the array to string, we need to report as arrays dot to string c. So c is the variable name. That's it. So if you are printing this, again the value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 260 is there, because we have added here 160 extra and here 160 is there. So that is the reason it is merged with this. Okay, so this is a simple program, but which is more important program. Okay, so if you like this video and this concept is clear, in the sense, just to give a like and mention that in the comment if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time, guys.